You know, I have a piece of paper here. Somebody must have prepared for it. But I only have 3 statements. I would not wish it. Life is beautiful. And life is worth living. Do not make it short. Enjoy life. Enjoy the adventure that life can give to you. Sa atin, yung big bike. Not all people are really blessed with the things that we have. But we can make this world more beautiful for everybody. Ito yung hinihintay natin taon na taon. And let me welcome you to the city of Davao. Next year, so big. I hope that when you go, kindly refrain from getting into bad speed. The motorcycle kasi, I've been riding motorcycle since I was a young. It gives you the speed, it gives you the adrenaline, and gives you everything that a young man once upon a time, like everybody else in the room. Pero tumatanda tayo, gumag-graduate from yung mga 150, mga nandito na tayo sa Big Bike. Kami, frankly, gumagamit na ako ng cane. Marami na akong mga little fractures. Karamihan sa motor. Pero noon, medyo masakit lang ng konti. Dito. Little fractures that we do not really mind at all at the time to give it the importance that or the treatment that it deserves. Kaya noon, ayaw natin magpaalam sa magulang natin na disgrasya ka kasi sinabi mo na kukunin talaga yung motor mo. So, all this year, you just keep silent just because you really want to ride. I had the privilege and maybe the opportunity na nakapag-ikot sa Pilipinas. And every rider in this room right now, kailangan biyahe kayo para magkaroon ng ranggo. You can only have it if you travel the entire length and breadth from Apare to Davao City. Dito ko kayo hintayin pag nag-travel at I will be glad to host a dinner for you pag nakuha ninyo. Have the ating junior commander
Ay, Bingo, what's up?
General. Dito si General Pato, si Major General Bongo. Pag nakakuha ninyo, just let me know that you have traveled the entire length and breadth of the country, and I gladly congratulate you. Kasi ginawa namin, and do it before you get home. Huwag ninyong hintay na mabuti yung medyo mga. Just be careful. Alam mo, lahat tayo dumaan yung depension to really squeeze the. Kaya yan lang, lalo na sa mga bata. Tayo, medyo big bike ka, medyo may katandaan. You cannot have that kind of merchandise. Bata ka pa. Medyo malabo. Pero the advice that I can give you, patapos na ako. I am on the sunset days of my life. At isang sabihin ko lang sa inyo, moderation. Moderation. Huwag din yung okay lang pero hindi yung mga na hirit ka ng 140, 100. Alam mo, our country changes, is changing. Noon sa panahon namin bata pa, makapaghirit kami ng record. Walang question yan. Kasi noon, motor vehicles, sparse, hindi masyadong marami. Dito sa dapat, tao, wala pa rin tricycle, yung, alam mo yung mga bagay-bagay na. Nowadays, the countryside and the city itself are just too crowded. And you have everything there. We do not have the laws that could regulate yung baboy. May nakasagasa dito ng aso kanina. Yung kwento nila, pumunta sila sa opisina. Sabi ko, kung aso, experience namin. Ako, pag aso, okay lang. Baka tao, okay lang rin. Matapon mo yan. Pero pag nasagasaan mo yung baboy, talagang babubuyin ka. Pag-ikutin ka yan. Ang tigas niyan. So be careful. The only way really to do it is just to run yung bike at moderate speed. Hindi nakagaya noon. Noon malinis. Ngayon maraming cars and everything dyan sa highway. Bigla na lang tumatricycle. Biglang left to me. Karamihan ganon ang disgrasya. Karamihan sa motor.
Wow, makablog nga
Those are the things that you have to learn.
Sorry po sa nag-video ko.
But I hope that you go on with your bike and hindi naman tayo mabuhay sa lahat ng panahon. I hope that our children can continue doing the things that we do. Just
Alam mo, ay aalis daw eh. Aalis daw eh. Aalis yung ako ka natin. Ano yung
Maintindihan ba? Record na rin.
aalis daw eh. Ano ang punta natin? Ano yung kung sige kayo, Mike?
Kung yan ba,
Kung aalis, di na tayo.
moderation.
Kita ka na istorya ko, wala.
Thank you for coming to the city. And hopefully, we will see each other soon. God will. Maraming salamat.